What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And could dealerships actually go bankrupt over the CDK hack? Maybe.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, got it represent.
Alright guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage. And in today's video, I'm on my way up to a dealership. I got about a 20-minute drive, but I'm on my way up to a dealership where a friend of mine, one of the subscribers who's become a friend of mine, works. And they advised me that their floor plan company is up there doing an audit, and they may take possession of vehicles. That's crazy. So we're up here now at this Chrysler Jeep dealership. You can see all the Jeeps sitting here. They have so many Jeeps in stock that they can't even put them all here at the lot. I mean, it looks like they got plenty of concrete here that they could park them on. But I guess they're building another service bay or something over here. So they're having to move a lot of this crap out of here. But they have so many damn Jeeps just sitting, and they're offering $16,000 off MSRP. And they can't sell them. They can't sell these friggin' Jeeps. And what's even more funny to me about the entire situation is the floor plan company is up here today, and they're auditing. They're literally auditing every single vehicle they got. And look, they got more Jeeps over there, more Jeeps over there, more Jeeps up here. Jeeps upon Jeeps upon Jeeps. Now, why this is a problem is if the floor plan, a lot of these floor plan companies with the hack of CDK and dealers like this one, moving over to, paper deals, right? Doing stuff the old way. They can't service any vehicles. They can't do any of that. They got a bunch of recalls on Jeeps, and they're just telling people, oh, we don't know what to do. Stellantis has no answers for them. None. And it's not just this one. There's another dealership up here up the road, just so people don't say I'm picking on just Stellantis. But another dealer here up the road, similar situation. And they deal with a different credit class of customer in most cases. And I'm talking about Nissan. If you don't know about Nissan, Nissan has a lot of customers that are like second chance. They have repos on their credit, stuff like that. And Nissan, their financial backing will take a risk. And it's why, I hate to say this, but this is why you have the baby mama Hellcat, Nissan Altima, going crazy everywhere, because they give people that can't get financed anywhere else the ability to buy these Nissan Altimas and Sentras and Versas and crap at Nissan, because Nissan has to move metal, man, and they'd rather take the risk of, giving somebody a 25% interest rate loan or 18.9% interest rate loan and putting them into, one of these Nissans, and they're complete ass. They're horrible cars. I'm sorry. I know a lot of, not all Nissans suck, all right? I know the Nismo guys and stuff out there, the Z is a cool car. I know my dude Alan, my Air Force buddy Alan loves Nissan. He just got him a 370Z. Not all of the cars are ass, but some of those all of those CV3 transmission cars are ass. All of them. Every single one. The Altima, the Versa, the Sentra, all trash. Just fact. Prestige up here said that only a couple of their systems were affected, and they are doing deals by paper and a secondary software. So they haven't been hit as hard. So that's not as bad. The one that really took the beating, though, was the Nissan dealership up here. And all of this is crazy to me because it's not just one brand. Multiple brands use this software and are in some serious trouble. Absolute serious trouble. Look, different companies, different dealerships. There's a bunch of floor plan companies out there. You know, it's not like they couldn't move that inventory to a different floor plan with a different loan. It's possible, right? I'm not saying that it's not going to happen, or, you know, it's 100% certain that they're going to get their stuff repoed. But when you have a floor plan company, you know, popping up unannounced, which it can happen. I don't want to say like, oh, that you act like this never happens to you. I'm not saying that it doesn't happen, but I'm saying more often than not, you don't see that, okay? And when they come up and they hit a couple dealerships that are owned by the same company and they're doing an audit, you know, and a lot of that inventory has already been there for 90 days and you don't have the ability to sell those cars right now, and may not for another, you know, 30 days, 60 days, that's a bad look. That's a really, really bad look. And I mean, there's no simple way to slice it. It just, I think we're going to see some of these, you know, maybe smaller dealerships that don't have the cash flow to be able to handle, you know, I'll tell you what, you know what this reminds me a lot of is when COVID first hit. When COVID was first hitting and everything was shut down, yes, they did have some stop gaps and they did have some government funding with the, you know, PPP loans and all of that stuff to kind of save some of these dealerships. They don't have that for a cyber hack. You're just holding a friggin' L. And that's where this looks crazy. I thought it was super crazy. I wanted to pop up. I'm about to pull up here to the Starbucks and have coffee with my buddy from the dealership and see if he has any more insights from me on why the floor plan company was up here today. But I just thought it was interesting. I mean, the Jeep dealership here is in panic mode. They're offering insane numbers on Jeeps right now. I mean, don't get it twisted. They will try to get it back from you on bullshit add-ons. You just have to be smart enough to say no. And if they don't accept no, and don't accept a deal where you don't have those add-ons, you walk the F away. You don't pay add-ons. I will say this, though. I did get help by a general manager in Austin. Damn, I wish I could remember the name of the dealership. Was it Southland or something, I believe? But, you know, he was just giving me a lowdown on, they don't do add-ons, they don't do Mickey Mouse shit. Everything is negotiable. So if you are in Austin, I wanted to do an update on that as well, because, you know, you have them scumbags over at Covert Bee Cave Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, absolute trash dealership. And, you know, with their scamming scumbag B package of, what is it, $2,500, grab your ankles, let me rail you in the ass package that they have over there. Yeah, we just don't, I don't like them. So yeah, I'll have to do an update video on them coming here soon. But anyways, I just thought it was interesting. I wanted to talk a little bit today with you guys about the CDK Global Hack and how it's affecting dealers, and some of the deals that, I mean, some of the insane deals that are popping up right now where, you know, it's end of month, man. This is the thing. That's the other thing that's crazy about this, man. It is end of month. This is when the sausage gets made, right? This is where you got to stack those numbers. And God, I mean, for Stellantis too, like, it's a double whammy. Your earnings were already gonna suck as a brand, and now you can't sell shit, and you couldn't sell shit. You already couldn't sell shit. You already got Scat Packs, Hellcats, and, you know, Chargers and Challengers that have been sitting for over a year. You already couldn't sell that shit. And now you couldn't sell it if you wanted to. Like, it's just, damn. Like, that is so bad. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.